This is my street in the Old Quarter of Hanoi, Vietnam. Come with me as we take a walk down this laneway where I'm staying.
Hey Hope,
Yeah,
where do you live?
we live on this street. Where we're staying is just down the street. When you come to Vietnam, one of the first things you must learn is to always be watching for scooters and motorcycles.
Like this one.
This laneway is close to cars, but that doesn't mean kids are safe from traffic because there's motorcycles everywhere. One of the surprising things in Vietnam is that some people on motorcycles don't wear a helmet. I couldn't believe that there were kids without helmets, like this one. Please put a helmet on that kid.
We were touring our street.
This is where we live. It's a travel agency on the ground floor and our room is on the second floor. If you want a tour, then see our video titled Tour Our Place.
Is the city.
Old Quarter, Hanoi.
That's our street.
The roads are too narrow for cars, so it's all motorcycles and people, which is kind of cool.